to Visual Human Tracking Training, presented to you by Tracking Resources, Atlantic Coast Incorporated, and myself, Marcus Lemasters. I want to welcome you to another segment of our training, and this being Lesson 4, the human footfall. Trackers realize that humans are bipedal or two-legged walkers. Therefore, at any given time, one foot is in complete contact with the ground, while the other foot may be in partial contact or completely lifted from the ground as it is either carried forward or backward. Observe how the human foot interacts with the ground surface. First, let's think about the human footfall or track. When a tracker is looking for or looking at human footprints, there are three things that we clearly define as being indicators that a track is a human footfall. Our first indicator is the heel strike. The initial contact area of the footfall is called the heel strike. This is the place where the heel hits the ground first. Notice I said hits. Because we're bipedal creatures, we are not totally sure of our balance when we are walking. And because we don't watch where every foot falls, we have a tendency to set our feet down much heavier than animals do. And therefore, the heel strike, or the initial contact zone, will be deeper and more defined. Our second indicator is the area of compression. The next area that we look at in the human footfall is the main or overall length of the foot. Because at that given point, the total weight of that person is compacted into one enclosed space. It leaves a very defined compression area. Now, you may only see a partial track or you may see the full track, depending upon how that balance and that weight interact with the way the foot hit the ground. After that full compressed area, the forward motion of a bipedal walker causes the toe to dig in as the foot pushes off, therefore leaving our third indicator, the toe dig, in which the ground is depressed or divoted deeper in the forepart or the front of the toe. The third and last indicator is the toe dig. Because we're bipedal, we don't have the best of balance as a four-legged creature does that has two legs in contact with the ground. So for a human, because we have one foot in contact with the ground and one foot raised, our balance is off to either side.